Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials. And in this today's session we are going to continue with our exercise 2 of D.Reyner book, okay, that we were doing. And in the last video we covered up to question number 20. So today we are going to start with question number 21, okay. Now just to remind you, this is from the D.Reyner book, D.Reyner 4th edition, and this exercise 2 is from the chapter Matrices and Transformation, okay, and this is for the Igcse 10th grade, right? Okay, so question number 21 says that if you have a matrix, say no, 21 says that find M, the question says find M if 1 1 minus 2 1 times n is equal to 2 1 0 0 1. Now this is the question, okay. So you have to find out what is n if this is the equation given, okay. Now first of all, let me do this. This is a scalar multiplication which will work out to 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, right? And this will be 1 1 minus 2 and 1 times n, right? Now you want to find out this m, okay. Now if you want to find out this m, what you will do is okay, now suppose this matrix is say A, okay, and this is B. So you have AM is equal to B, right? AM is equal to B. Now you want to find out this M, okay. So this A inverse you will multiply on both the sides, okay, A inverse. So when you do that, A inverse into A will work out to I into M is equal to A inverse into B, right? So I into M will be nothing but M. So M will be equal to A inverse times B. So if you want to find out this M, you find the inverse of this A and multiply it by B. B is already given to you. You have to find out the inverse of this A. Now this is your A, right? So A inverse will be equal to 1 upon determinant of A times adjoint of matrix A, right? Now what is determinant of A? This is A matrix, okay. So 1 1s are 1 minus, so it will be 1 minus minus 2. This will be the determinant. And what will be the adjoint of this A? It will be 1 1 minus 1 and 2. This will work out to 1 upon 1 plus 2 is 3 times 1 minus 1, 2 and 1. So this is your A inverse. Now this, if you want, you can take this 1 by 3 inside. That will make it 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This will be 2 by 3. This will be 1 by 3. So this here, this is your A inverse, right? Now M is what? M is equal to A inverse times B. So A inverse is this one. So take this 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and then 1 by 3. This times B. B is what? It is 2 0 0 2. Right? Now let us try to find out this product. So this will be, this is 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2, okay. So your product will be also 2 by 2. So first row, first column. So 1 by 3 into 2 will be 2 by 3 plus this into 0 is 0. So it will be 2 by 3, okay. Then for this position, first row, second column. 1 by 3 into 0 is 0 and this into this will be minus 2 by 3. So 0 plus minus 2 by 3 will be minus 2 by 3. Then coming to this, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 will be 4 by 3 plus second row first column. Okay, 2 by 3 into 2 will be 4 by 3, plus 1 by 3 into 0 is 0, so it will be just 4 by 3, and this will be this into this, so 2 by 3 into 0 is 0, 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3. So this is your answer. So your final answer m will be equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 4 by 3, and then a 2 by 3. So this should be the answer for m. Let us check the answer behind, and the answer behind is okay. Now here what you can do is you can take 2 by 3 common out. Okay, this can be taken 2 by 3 as common out. If 2 by 3 is out, here you will get a 1. Okay, here you will get a minus 1. Here you should get a 2, and here you should get a 1. Okay, so even this answer is correct. Okay, and in the book behind, the answer given is 2 by 3, that is this, times 1 minus 1, 2, 1. So this is the answer given behind. So this is also correct, this is also correct, because from this only I got this answer. Okay, so that was question number 21. Now let us move on to question number 22. Question number 22 is saying that A is equal to 2 minus 3, 0 and a 1, and B is equal to 1 minus 1, minus 1 and a 3. Okay, you have to find all this. Number 1, AB. Number 2, A inverse. And number 3, B inverse. Okay, and after finding all these 3, you have to show that your AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay, so all these things you have to show. So first of all, starting with A this and B is this, these are the two matrices. First let us try to find out AB. So AB will be 2 minus 3, 0, 1 times 1 minus 1, minus 1, 3. Okay, now this will be equal to first row, first column you have to multiply. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, plus minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, then first row, second column, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 plus minus 9. So minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. Then second row, first column you have to multiply. So 0 into 1 is 0, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1. And then you have second row and the second column. So 0 into minus 1 is 0, plus 3 into 1 is 3. So this is the answer for AB. Right? 2. Find out A inverse. So A inverse will be what? A inverse will be 1 upon determinant of A times joint of matrix A. That is equal to 1 upon, now determinant of A will be 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. And adjoint of this will be 1 and 2. And minus 3 will become 3. And this will remain 0. Okay. So this happens to be a inverse. This can be written as 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 0, and 1. Right? A inverse. Now, let us find out B inverse. B inverse, this is the third one. Okay, B inverse will be equal to 1 upon determinant of B times adjoint of matrix B. Okay, so what is determinant of B? 1 upon determinant of B will be, now what is B here? Well, B is this one. Okay, this is your B. So 3 ones are 3, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So this is your determinant, okay, of B times adjoint of B. So for adjoint of B, I will swipe these two positions, and here I'll make the sign opposite. So 1, 1. So this works out to 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2 times 3, 1, 1, 1, which is same as 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So this is your B inverse. All right. So 1, 2, and 3 we have found out. And before we proceed, let us check whether this 1, 2, and 3 are correct. So question number 22, the first one ka answer is 5 minus 11, 5 minus 11, minus 1, and a 3. So this is correct. Then A inverse is this one, half into 1, 3, 0, and minus 3. Okay. No, sorry. Half into 1, 3, 0, and 2. So this is also correct. Okay. And B inverse is half 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is correct and this is also correct. Okay. So all our answers are correct so far. Now let us try to show that AB inverse is equal to B inverse times A inverse. Okay. Now let us find out this AB inverse. Left hand side is AB inverse. Now AB inverse, how we will find out? Now what is AB? AB is 5 minus 11 minus 1 and a 3. Now if you want to find out the inverse of this, then AB inverse will be equal to, okay, 1 upon determinant of AB times adjoint of AB matrix, isn't it? So this will be 1 upon, now determinant of AB will be 5 3s are 15 minus, this will be 11, and adjoint of this will be 3 and 5, and this will become 11 and 1. So your AB inverse should be 1 upon 15 minus 11 is how much? It's 4, and then 3, 11, 1, and 5. So this is your AB inverse, right? Now, right hand side is your B inverse times A inverse. Now, what was a B inverse? B inverse was this one, okay? 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, so let me take that as 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And what is A inverse? A inverse was this one, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 0 and 1. It was 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 0 and 1. Now let us try to find out this product. So first row, first column will be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be 3 by 4, plus this half into 0 is 0. So it will be 3 by 4. Then first row, second column will be 3 3s are 9 by 4, plus 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Okay. Then coming to this, second row, first column will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, plus half into 0 is 0. So it will be 1 by 4. And this will be half into, this second row, second column. Half into 3 by 2 will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So this is your product of B inverse times A inverse. This will be 3 by 4. This should be 4, and then 9 plus 2. Okay. And this will be 1 by 4, and this should be 4, 3 plus 2. Okay, so this should work out to 3 by 4, 11 by 4, and 1 by 4, and then 3, 4, 5 by 4. Okay, now this is your right hand side. Now this right hand side should match with the left hand side. This is your left hand side. So left hand side, if you work out this left hand side, this will be 1 by 4 into 3 will be 3 by 4. This will be 1 by 4 into 11 will be 11 by 4. This will be 1 by 4, and this should be 5 by 4. Okay, so can you see these two? They both are same. Okay, so you can say that therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence AB inverse is equal to B inverse times A inverse. Okay, so that was question number 22. Let us move on to question number 23. Question number 23 says that if M is equal to 3, 1, 2, minus 1, and Mn is equal to 7 and a minus 9, minus 2 and a minus 6, then find N. Okay, so this is the question. M is given as this, and this Mn is given as this, so you have to find M. So let us go for this. Solution is Mn is equal to 7 minus 9 minus 2 and a minus 6. Okay, now you want to find out this N. So what I'll do is M inverse M N equal to M inverse times 7 minus 9 minus 2 minus 6. What I did is on both the sides I have multiplied by M inverse. Now this M inverse times M happens to be I into N is equal to M inverse times 7 minus 9 minus 2 minus 6. Fine. Now I times N will be nothing but N. So my N happens to be M inverse times 7 minus 9 minus 2 minus 6. Now I will have to find out this M inverse. So M inverse will be equal to 1 upon determinant of M times adjoint of the matrix M. Okay, fine. So 1 upon, now what will be determinant of M? Now where is my M? Okay, this is my M. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 minus 2 ones are 2 times adjoint of this M will be minus 1 and then 3. This will become minus 1 and minus 2. This works out to 1 upon minus 5 times minus 1 minus 2 and a 3. So this is equal to minus into minus is plus, sorry, yeah. So this will become 1 by 5. This will become 1 by 5. This will become 2 by 5. And this will become minus 3 by 5. Okay. So this is my M inverse, right? This is my M inverse. So my N will be M inverse times this. So M inverse I'll take now as 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and minus 3 by 5. And times this 7 minus 9 minus 2 minus 6. Okay, let us work out this. First row, first column. So 7 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 5. So that will be minus 2 upon 5. Right? Minus 2 upon 5. Then first row, second column will be minus 9 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5. Then second row, first column. Second row, first column. 7 2s are 14 upon a 5. And this will become 14 upon a 5 plus 14, right? 14 upon a 5 plus 6 upon a 5. Okay. And this will become minus 18 upon a 5 and plus this will become uh, again 18 upon a 5. Okay. 18 upon a 5. Right. This will be that matrix. So your n will be, now let us simplify this. This will be 7 minus 2 is 5 upon 5. That is 1. This will be minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15 upon 5. This will become 16 plus 6 plus 14 is 20 upon a 5. And this will become minus 18 plus 18 is 0 upon 5. That is 0. So my n happens to be, n is equal to 1. 15 upon 5 is 3, so minus 3. 20 upon 5 is 4, so 4, and then a 0. This has to be my answer for n. So let us check behind the answer for this question number 23. And 23 answer behind is given as 1 minus 3, 4 and a 0. Perfect. Okay. So it's correct. That was question number 23. Let us move on to question number 24. Question number 24 is saying that A is given to you as 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. And he says that C is given to you as 11, 7. If B is a 2 by 1 matrix, okay, a matrix of order 2 by 1, such that AB is equal to C, then find B. That's the question. Okay. So he says here that AB is equal to C and we are supposed to find out B. Right. So if you want to find out B, what I will do here is A inverse AB equal to A inverse C. Both the sides I am multiplying by A inverse. Now A inverse into A will be I times B equal to A inverse times C. Now I into B is nothing but B. B will be equal to A inverse into C. So if I want to find out this B, I'll have to find out A inverse and multiply with C. So A inverse should be what? It will be 1 upon determinant of A times adjoint of matrix A. So this is 1 upon, now determinant of A will be 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And adjoint of this A will be, I'll swipe these positions this way and I'll change the sign of these two. So my answer is 1 minus 1 minus 1 and a 2. This is my answer for A inverse, right? Now my B is A inverse times C. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 times C. Now what was my C? C was 11 7, column matrix. So it's 11 7. Okay. Now B happens to be a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay. So it will be 2 by 1 matrix will be like this. 2 rows and a single column, right? We know that B is a 2 by 1 matrix. So this will be first row and this column. Okay, first row, this column. So 11 ones are 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. I'll get a 4 over here. Then in this position, I'll get second row and this column. So minus 11 and plus 14. Minus 11 plus 14. This happens to be 3. So this is a 2 by 1 matrix. So yeah, B will be equal to 4, 3. This is my answer. So let me check the answer behind for 24th. And the answer for 24th is 4, 3, which is perfectly correct. That was question number 24. Now we are left with 4 more questions, that is 25, 26, 27 and 28 from this exercise 2. But I suppose this 4 questions I'll be completing in the next video. And for today, that's all. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, all of you.